Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back, all my subscribers and anyone that just may be stopping by. It's a beautiful, beautiful fall evening here in North Carolina. You might see the sun setting a little bit off behind me. I'm trying to get this in before we get started, but I promise you, I will hold the shoes up close so you can see them. All right, you know me, I like to get right to the point, so let's get to it. Today we have a thredUP 10 pair mid-size shoe unboxing. It was $50. Shipping cost, no, I didn't get free shipping. I always miss those days. $9.99, and tax was $4.05 for a total of $64.04. So it should come out to be about $6.40 a pair. That is if I list every pair. I have already untaped the box just to save some time. I have not actually gone through them. So I will show you a first look. And let's hope this is as good as my last 10 pair mix shoe box where I had 2 pairs of Rothys in there. Okay, so the first pair on top is a New Day pair of mules. And they are pretty. That's a nice fall color. And they got the tissue inside. They look to be in really good condition, but they have been worn. You can tell by the bottom, but everything looks really good. And they are a size 9. Size 9. Okay, pretty. Okay, the next pair, Universal Thread, which is a pair of sandals. So they may not sell really quick right now, but they'll be good for next spring and summer. And these look to be in brand new condition. Nice shoes. And they are a size 7.5, all man-made materials. Okay. The next pair, Rothy. Pair of sandals. I was hoping to get some boots. We'll see. All these sandals may not move that fast right now, but hey, some people do buy them all year. What size are these? I bet there's no size. But they look pretty big, so I think they're about a 9.5 or 10. Next, another pair of Universal Thread. Okay, this might be the Universal Thread box, but that's okay. They are a size 8, new with tags. That's a good point. Just a pair of tennis shoes. And they look to have like white little, they look like roses. You can see that. And they, of course, are brand new. Let's see. Oh, Cal Parker. I've gotten quite a bit of shoes in this style here lately. Cal Parker. Y'all hear the birds singing? Ah, so nice out here. I love the fall cool evenings. And these are a size, I don't know. Let's see. Size 8. Cal Parker. And I've never heard of them, so if you have, let me know. Could be something good, maybe not. Okay, another pair of a New Day. New with tags. Price of $24.99. They must be trying to get rid of all their sandals from the spring and summer. I would definitely go ahead and list them because you never know. Somebody may be going to Hawaii or somewhere. And I do list a New Day. I do list the cheaper brands because they will sell. You won't get much for them, but they do sell. These look fancy. Not a fancy name, but they look fancy. These are Marona. And they are real pretty. They are beautiful. Beautiful. It's kind of a burgundy. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Burgundy with a little bit of silver. It's material. I know kind of is coming across like velvet, but it's material. Look at that heel. Fancy, fancy. Those are adorable though. Adorable. And they are a size, let's see if I can see, a size 6. Size 6. Okay. And now I'm going to put these. Let's put them right down here. Okay, here we go. Pair of beauties. Time and True. Okay, so far this box is not as good as my last box, but that's how it is with thredUP. Sometimes you get really good boxes, mediocre boxes, or boxes not so great. Time and True. These have been worn. They still have gook on the bottom. Ugh. And they are size 7. Alright, let's hope this bottom is a little bit better. Okay. We have a pair of Pumas. These look really good shape. Black Pumas. Let's see that. And they are a size 7.5. Not too great, but they're in really good shape. They should sell. Okay. Oh, we got a pair of boots. And the last pair. And guys, let me know if I'm moving too quick for you. But I just like to get it done. Okay, let's see. Michael Kors. So that's better. Michael Kors. Some nice boots. Let's see if I can find the size. Well, I'm not going to look way down there. But hopefully there is a size. I'm going to have to get a flashlight somewhere in there. They look to be about a 8. Possibly. Might be a little bit smaller. I'm not sure. But those are nice. Suede. So hopefully these will sell for a little bit to make up for the other shoes. But that's it. So not too impressed with this box. A lot of, you know, Target, A New Day, and Universal Thread, Target shoes. But they were new. A couple of them with newer tags, but they're spring and summer shoes, so it may take a while to sell. Maybe next spring or summer. But that's just how it goes with these boxes. Some are good, some are bad, and this one, not that great, especially compared to my last box. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.